What's up guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how to make a slowdown time and make time faster in this game. So without further ado, let's start. So you want to go into the third person blueprints here and make sure it's in the event graph. Okay, in the event graph you want to, let's say, press R to make the time go quicker. But I'm just gonna quickly find R somewhere here. Let's say R. You press R. Okay. Set time. No. Set delta. No, delta. Delta? No. Time. I can't even remember anything at this point. Okay. Let me find it real quick. One second, I'm just gonna quickly try and find it again because I lost it. Okay, I'll search for it now. Okay, I remembered it just now. It's set global time dilation. I completely forgot what it was. Let's say R makes it go slower. 1 is like regular, okay? Just remember that. Let's say we wanted like at 0.5 if you press R. But if you press T, yes, T. There, let me find it real quick, the button. Not T, anything. If I can find anything. If you press this takes a bit, doesn't it? I'm literally scrolling so much. You can literally hear it. What the? E, let's say. Press E. Okay? And then set global time dilation. Let's say set it 2. But if you press P, oops, I guess. Yes. Right, so if you press, let's say D, okay, because I just found it. You set the global time dilation to regular, okay, 1. Okay, so compile and save, and that should be it. R slow, E fast, and T normal. Oh damn, I don't even realize what happened there. Slow, wow, and then T doesn't set it normal. I'm gonna check why real quick, because it's D. That's why. So if it goes quick, and then D slows it down to regular, R, D. Okay, so that's how you make a slow motion and a quicker motion in Unreal Engine 5. And without further ado, peace.